Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add time in Google Sheets, including hours, minutes, and seconds, to help you track durations or project timelines accurately. First, format your cells correctly. Before entering numbers, you must tell Google Sheets to treat your data as time rather than just regular text or decimals. Highlight the cells where you'll enter your time. Go to the top menu, click Format, select Number, and then choose Time or Duration if your total will exceed 24 hours. Using the correct format ensures that when you type 1:30, Sheets recognizes it as 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you need to include seconds, choose Custom Date and Time from the menu to apply the HHMMSS format. Next, add two time values together. Once your cells are formatted, adding time is as simple as a basic math equation. In a new cell, type the equal sign, click the first time cell, type the plus sign, and click the second time cell. It should look like this, equals A2 plus B2. Sheets will automatically calculate the sum. If the result looks strange, like a decimal, ensure the result cell is also formatted as time or duration. Use duration specifically if you want to see a result like 25 hours 000 minutes, instead of it resetting back to 1 a.m. Lastly, add a specific amount of time to a timestamp. If you want to add a set number of minutes or hours to an existing time, like adding 30 minutes to a start time, you need to use a simple division trick. Use the formula equals cell plus n divided by 1440 for minutes, or equals cell plus n divided by 24 for hours. Google Sheets treats one full day as the number 1. Since there are 24 hours in a day and 1440 minutes in a day, dividing your number by these constants converts them into time that Sheets can add to your original value. And that's pretty much it. To add time in Google Sheets, first format your cells under Format, Number, Duration. You can then use the plus sign to sum two time cells or divide a number by 24 or 1440 to add specific hours or minutes to any timestamp. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.